I wanted to be an architect very early in life. I like construction, and I like drawings. I like art, and I guess all of it culminated in the profession that I thoroughly enjoy. I think what inspired me was the profession gives you the opportunity to create things, and not many professions allow you to do that. My design philosophy is basically climate change. Site is very important, the surroundings, and the ability to understand what we call genus loci, which is the spirit of the place. And every site is different. You must go and visit the sites before you do any design. Before you even do your first sketch, you must understand the site and what the site is saying to you. I also believe that good architecture must reflect the technology of the age. Meaning, we should not reflect back to Greek temples and Roman columns. We live in the tropics. I practice in the tropics. Green architecture is very important in the tropics because it's consistently wet, hot, and humid. And good architecture must address all this. This is a GBI Platinum-rated house surrounded by quite a lot of greenery, even though we are right in the center of the city. It uses very little energy. I've got solar panels on the roof. I have 25 kilowatt peak of solar power, which means that it covers all the energy that I need to use in the house. I still use TNB because I sell back to TNB, but basically it's self-reliant. And the other thing is also it's got a very heavily insulated roof, a very large roof as you can see. And the inside spaces, as long as you insulate it, stays at about 25 degrees right through the year. A lot of the issues that affect buildings, they are born from a city or from a suburb or a district. So perhaps one city I would like to redesign would be Los Angeles, the city of angels, home of Hollywood. And what I would do is I'll make it a lot more pedestrian friendly. I'll address public transport, turn it a lot more green, rather than to be a city that you need a car to move around in. Yeah. I really like rock, and Rolling Stones are my favorite band. We have watched them before live, and the music is great. They're still alive and kicking at old age. We thought they would have died from their wild lifestyle. And I guess on the other side is Christian music. I'm a born-again Christian, and I find that worship is the other end of rock, and I find it steals my soul, and it gives me a chance to think and reflect. A lot of good design comes out of worship. Number 1, dream. Number 2, dare. Number 3, define. Define your work, define who you are, define what you're on about. And then the next one, of course, is just do it, do. And the last one is a very tough profession. Don't give up. This is Dr. Tan, and this is Architects in Focus.